Our company's three core businesses are machining, reduction gear development, and functional component development. To meet the vast needs of our customers and to deliver our products in a timely manner, it was essential to improve our machining efficiency and cycle times. As our company mainly carries out mass production machining, our cycle times were already very short. It was difficult to make further improvements.
To achieve our goal, Tungaloy introduced us to a new external turning method. They offered us a multi-purpose product called AddMultiTurn. It uses a new machining concept with a single tool handling multiple operations. This greatly reduced the number of tool changes. As a result, our cycle time decreased significantly.
With the help of Tungaloy, we immediately tested the product on our machine. We gradually increased the feed rate and were eventually able to machine at about 2.5 times the previous feed rate. The hunch that this would solve our issue became a certainty. In the end, the cycle time for our external roughing operation decreased drastically by 3 full seconds.